and then put 4 houses on it. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. But then the row is only like 50 wide. Like an additional 10 or 20 feet.
So the consensus was basically you can subdivide the back lot and sell it to the neighbors, and that's basically what you can do with it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's 2 neighbors over there. You could sell both of those.
Right.
The back to them if they wanted an extra 50 feet of land. But
Right behind the trees.
Is that like the water pump?
Just about to get a video.
Damn.
So when you came in, one of the plans that we kind of messed up with on Dayton, we left the dining room wall.
Yeah.
Like closed, like somewhat closed, so it wasn't like an open concept. So I think the plan here would be everything wide open.
Mm-hmm.
The kitchen would be somewhere. I have to look at the plan either in the back left or the back right corner. However we decide, so it's just gonna be an open concept throughout.
Okay.
Garage that way, go up, and we'll put 3 beds, 3 or 4 beds up top.
Got it. Do quotes with you.
Some of those are like rough numbers, like
Yeah.
estimated, like obviously it was changed.
Right.
But the two I sent you were actual quotes
Yeah.
for the
Rough plumbing, rough electric.
Yeah, and the HVAC.
Yeah.
But that was also quoted months back.
Right.
So if we,
Subject to change.
yeah, so if we
Of course.
resubmitted
Especially right
them,
now.
I would say it's at least that,
It's close.
if not a few thousand higher.
Yeah.
Um,
Interior stuff, man, we should be able to do, at or better than, most of the subs. Like sheet rocking, probably a lot of flooring, taping, spackling, painting. I'm not sure what you guys are thinking in terms of tile work, obviously that varies a lot depending on how high end you wanna make it, but, I mean, we can tile.
Family room, back right, kitchen, out to the yard. But we still have the guest room with the 2 beds.
Mm-hmm.
And we have the mud room, laundry room left, and then that garage.
Yep.
So that would be the foundation.